Video. There, I said it. Video. Yes, it's true. If you've clicked on this video because you're looking for the best way to monetize your blog, the answer is video. And don't be switching because you're sitting there going, but I'm a blogger, I don't want to do video. Watch this video and you might just change your mind. And stay tuned because I'm going to tell you about a download I have that is about a lot of different ways that you can monetize your blog. And if you are looking for the best ways to monetize your blog or even start a blog, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I come out with new videos every Wednesday and that way you will be notified. Welcome to The Freedom Strategy. My name is Heather and I am here to help you make money with your blog so you can actually enjoy the life you want to live. I've been doing it for 5 years and I am going to teach you everything I have learned, my successes, my failures, my mistakes, and the way to really make money with your blog. So let's talk about that thing that a lot of bloggers don't want to talk about, and that's called video. And we've been hearing for a couple of years now, oh, you got to add video to your blog. Video is where it's at. Well, the truth is, that's true. It is time to add video to your blog, and I'm going to tell you 5 reasons you need to do that. All right, let's start with the basics. Your readers and viewers want to connect with you as a person. And it is a lot easier to do that if you are on video actually talking to them. Now, I know a lot of you say, hey, I'm a blogger, I'm an introvert, I want to be behind my screen. Trust me, I get it. I'm the same way. But as I'm sitting here looking at my camera filming this, I'm thinking about all of you that want to connect with me. And it's a lot easier to connect with you if I'm sitting here having a conversation with you. Your readers want the same thing. They want to get to know you. They are not necessarily just after your fabulous recipe or the best vacation you ever took. They are interested in you. And that is a lot easier to connect with them on video. So that is a great reason to start video and to not be afraid of it. They actually want to see you. They want to be able to get to know you as a person. The next reason that you need to add video is the engagement rate with video is significantly higher than it is with written blog posts. If you take a minute and look around YouTube for the bloggers that actually have a YouTube channel, you'll notice the comments, the replies, the engagement to the video is very high. It is significantly higher than most bloggers get on either their blog directly or even on their Facebook groups. Engagement. It is very high with video. You probably have also seen this on Facebook. If you put a video out on Facebook, the engagement rate is significantly higher than if you just put a post or a picture. People want video. And that's just the way it is. So the next reason is it is just not as crowded of a market. It is much easier to break into the video world than it is into the written blog world. Blogging's been around for a long time, 15, 20 years, but people really only recently started to turn to videos and YouTube. So the market is just not nearly as crowded in video, and it's a lot easier to break in and gain traction on video than it is on the blog. Now, I want you to keep in mind, I am not talking about giving up your blog to do a video. What I'm saying is adding video to your blog will catapult it into the next stratosphere. So as I'm sitting here talking about this, I really do know what you're probably thinking is, again, I'm an introvert, I don't want to do video. So please comment below and tell me, are you nervous to do video? Or are you excited to do video? The next reason, and probably the most important reason as to why you're watching this video, is the reason you need to add video is money. The ad fill rates for video are significantly higher than ad rates for blogs that don't have video. So I am with Mediavine Network for my ad network, and I can tell you for my blog personally, and it does vary from blog to blog, but for my blog, the amount of money I make on videos that I put in my blog versus just the blog is 5 to 10 times the amount. Okay, let me repeat that. 5 to 10 times the amount of revenue that you're getting on your blog. You add some video to it and it can go up by that much. And I am not kidding you. It is remarkable how much more advertisers are willing to pay for video. And along those same lines, the last reason in this video I'm going to talk about why you need to make video is brands love video. So if you're trying to reach out and get some sponsored posts, the same company that might pay $500 to $700 for a blog post will pay $2,000 to $3,000 for a video. Again, it's a huge difference. You need to put video on your blog. Now, I am in the process of creating a series of videos to help walk you through the steps of starting to add video to your blog. I am a food blogger, so part of that is going to be how to create cooking show styles of videos, but the same concepts will apply to almost any blog you may have. So please subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when those new videos come out. So now that you know that video is the #1 way to monetize your blog right now, I also have this download for you that covers a number of different ways to monetize your blog. Video is certainly not the only way, and nor is it the only thing you should be doing. The download I have below is all about how to get sponsored posts, how to get within ad networks. So go ahead and click on the link and you will get that free download that has loads and loads of information about other ways you can monetize your blog. And if this video has at least piqued your curiosity of doing video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, and that way you will be notified when the next video comes out. My name is Heather. Thank you for tuning into The Freedom Strategy. I am here to help you create the life you want by helping you turn your blog into a bank machine. We'll see you next time on The Freedom Strategy.